Pinalakas. RPN Radio Philippines Network. DZRL Batak. DZKI Iriga. DYKB Bacolod. D1KC Cebu. DXKS Surigao. DXKO Cagayan de Oro. DXXX Zamboanga. DXKD Dipolo. DXKT Davao. DXDX General Santos. RPN Radio Philippines Network.
Ang pinakaenot sa ringkunada. Puon kay do sa gungunyan. Minaanduyog sa mga namamanuan. Katuwang para sa kauswagan. Sa mga bareta, patas. Sa impormasyon, public service, enot ka. Malalaoman, katotohuan, ang sinasarigan. Inina ang bagong Radyo Ronda. DZKI Iriga Radyo Ronda. Ang maugmang kairiba. Madya na.
RPN Radio Philippines Network. Radyo Ronda. DZKI Iriga. Member, kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
Ang oras na ini, darapo sa Indukan Losenya Electrical Supply. Para po sa madikalidad na electrical product, day po kalingawan, Losenya Electrical Supply. Losenya Electrical Supply, madaling makukuha, aranisa na sa Barangay Holcan, San Francisco, Iriga City. Owned and managed by Engineer Meneleo Losenya.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
Para sa bado nagka-bloom sa hamon, prumara na ang Charm Fabric Conditioner.
Charm Fabric, pamumuno mag-bloom. Charm Fabric, gamitin may bangon sa libong bulaklak.
Charm Fabric Conditioner, iguaning Stay Fresh Technology. Bado mo, ka-bloom sa hamon.
Charm Fabric, pamumuno mag-bloom. Charm Fabric, gamitin may bangon sa libong bulaklak.
Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS, good barlumin masyad. Hello, Bright Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan. Bright Bar Blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Good barlumin masyad. Hello, Bright Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS. Sa panahon ngayon, ikaw ba'y sigurado? Ikaw ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo. Laban sa bakterya, i-shield mo. Laban ng pati-virus, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Gadan ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Tubod ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Hali sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo!
Smart
dishwashing paste ko!
Smart
Pritong ulam na masebo, mato kaldero. Ang galing for everyday.
Aron kayan, pag Smart ang Dishwashing Paste, may double tanggaling formula. Tanggal kaling yung sebo, asin bakterya.
Pahit para walang pahit, linis fantastic.
dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linig kada pahid.
Smart dishwashing paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pala,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing, para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa. Unique
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Boom, papaya, white rose papaya, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka in 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya.
New White Rose Papaya. Iguaning double whitening and papaya extract as in vitamin B3. Clinically proven man magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular
Boom,
use.
puti ka, white rose papaya, yeah, 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 yeah.
Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Ako po, si Roger, 30 years old ng Tagbilaran. Sa po akong taho vendor. Hindi ko pa nasubukan ng iBerry. Napansin kong nalalabo ang paningin ko dahil sa katarata. Meron din po kasi ako mataas sa blood sugar. At kapag nasa labas ako, may konting alapaak sa paligid ng paningin ko. Nagbe-bled din siya. Tuloy-tuloy ko lang yung pag-inom ng iBerry. Opo, tuloy-tuloy ko lang dahil mabisa ang iBerry. Magaan po siya sa mata ko, lalo na pag nasisilawan. Ayos na po ang paningin ko, tsaka di ko na rin ramdam yung matamlay ako sa trabaho. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa iBerry.
For a healthy eyesight, mag-iBerry na!
Kidney Care time!
Ako si Lito Garcia, real estate agent. Padala sa na-experience ko yung pag-ihiis, masakit din ang likod ko. Inisip ko na, na magpa-ultrasound. Nakita nila na may batong maliit at saka isang malaki na malapit na bumara sa kidney ko. Try ko daw yung Kidney Care. Pag-ihi ko, malaramdaman ko masakit, yung pala lumabas na yung bato.
Mabibili ang Kidney Care sa Mercury at sa mga malapit na suking butika. Mahalagang paalala, ang Kidney Care ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin pang gamot sa anumang uri.
Alas 4 na! Oras na para magtaob, taktak, tuyo at takip para iwas dengue. Itaob ang mga lalagyang maaaring naimbakan ng tubig. Itaktak ang mga ito upang siguraduhin walang naiwang tubig sa loob. Tuyuin ang mga lalagyan gamit ang tuwalya o pamunas, takpan at siguraduhin walang butas ang mga lalagyan ng tubig. Kalinisan ang solusyon dahil pag walang lamok, walang dengue. Paalala mula sa inyong Department of Health, Bicol Center for Health Development.
Nakagat ka sa ayam? I-Ravax mo na yan. Nakalmot ikakaupos? I-Ravax mo na yan. Magpapakuna na sa Ravax Animal Bite Treatment Center and Medical Clinic. 7 years na po sindang pinagkakatiwalaan sa healthcare services at kusira reliable professionals. Barato asin de kalidad na bakuna. Ligtas, probado, asin asertado. Alaga, Ravax yan. Ravax Animal Bite Treatment Center and Medical Clinic. Bakunang angat, serbisyong dapat sa presyong abot kaya at matapat. Ravax Animal Bite Treatment Center and Medical Clinic. An active anti-rabies vaccine. 699 sana. Ang booster, pre-exposure, senior as in PWD, 499 sana. Ang common sira flu vaccine, pneumonia vaccine, as in iba pa. Kaya umayang na. Sali na kita sa Ravax Animal Bite Treatment Center and Medical Clinic. Baoy na sa 0967-152-0610 o bumisita sa Ravax Animal Bite Treatment Center and Medical Clinic sa Alfilor Street, San Miguel, Iriga City. Sa taas sana, Law Office ni Attorney Ferdinandinho Arani Sayusan.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang mga malalaking mga balita, ang mga matitinding mga pinag-uusapan, ang mga maiinit at pinagtatalunang mga issue. Lahat hagip, lahat malalaman. Hindi lang sa buong Metro at Mega Manila. Kasama na ang buong Pilipinas. Hahagupit na ang mga malalaking issue sa Ronda Pilipinas. Live na live sa DWIZ AM Metro at Mega Manila. Naka-live din sa DWIZ News FM Regional Stations. Naka-live din sa Radyo Ronda AM Radio sa Pilipinas. Live ding mapapanood sa Aliw 23 Free TV. At naka-live din sa lahat ng DWIZ Digital News accounts, Facebook, YouTube at DWIZ News website. Ronda Pilipinas. Wala nang mahuhuli sa balita. Wala nang maiiwanang issue na hindi mo alam. Ngayon, updated ka na sa Ronda Pilipinas. Kasama si Dennis Antenor Jr. Ronda Pilipinas. Monday to Friday, 10 a.m.
Kapmark, sali po kayo sa programang Gulayan sa Barangay ng Department of Agriculture.
Gulayan sa Barangay? Ano pong programa yan?
Ang Gulayan sa Barangay ay isang programa ng DA na itinataguyod ang pagkakaroon ng sapat, sariwa at masustansyang pagkain sa mga pamayanan. Bukas ito sa mga barangay na may 500 metro kwadradong bakanting lupa na maaaring pagtaniman ng mga gulay at bungang kahoy.
Ano-ano ang kailangang isumite para makasali dyan?
Letter of Intent, Barangay Resolution, Endorsement Letter mula sa Opisina ng Provincial Agriculturist, geotag photo ng proposed project site at master list ng mga grupo o individual na magtatatag at magmamantini ng inyong gulayan.
Madali lang palang sumali sa Gulayan sa Barangay.
Ang DA Bicol ay namimigay ng vegetable seeds at farm inputs para sa mga nais lumahok sa programang Gulayan sa Barangay. Para sa karagdagang impormasyon, makipag-ugnayan sa DA Bicol High Value Crops Development Program, Barangay San Agustin, Pili, Camarines Sur.
Sarong serbisyo publiko ka Department of Agriculture sa Bicol.
Ang Peña Francia coverage sa Tudman sa Indocan mga minasunod na sponsor. Jose Manrique Uralio, San Isidro, Erga City. Honorable Christian Etsepari, Vice Mayor, Buhi, Camarines Sur. Honorable Jason Zuelo, Punong Barangay San Isidro, Erga City. AG Recto, Medical and Industrial Gases. Edison Recto, Proprietor, 124 Crisine Street, San Francisco, Erga City. Salcedo Gravel and Sand. Cesar Atas Salcedo, Proprietor. Care of Green Salcedo Aguilar, San Vicente Sur, Erga City. Engineer R.S. Hermoso, PIP Engineering District, DPWH, Santa Teresita, Baao, Camarines Sur. Honorable CYB Malasarte, Municipal Councilor, Baao, Camarines Sur. Nakings Fall Water Repelling Station, owned and managed by Ani and Polly Bagapuro. Architect Sopronio Sani B. Maestrado and family, San Roque, Erga City. Honorable Jonathan Cuyahon, Vice Mayor, Baao, Camarines Sur. Jerry Navarez, Chief Land Transportation Officer, Ligao City, Albay. Bicolandia Aluminum and Glass Supply, owned and managed by Mr. and Mrs. Arnel and Helen Tan, San Miguel, Erga City. Anita Tirao, San Francisco, Erga City.
Ang Kabikulan liwat masilibrar kan taon-taon nakapiestahan ni Ina Nuestra Señora de Peña Francia bilang Kristiyano asin kasaro sa pagtubod. Ang RPN DZKI Radyo Ronda liwat mahatod kan special live coverage kan traslasyon procession, fluvial procession asin military parade of Peña Francia Fiesta live coverage 2025. Uya ang mga minasunod na major sponsors sa Peña Francia coverage. Olimpio Nevalio Custom Brokerage, number 203 Regina Building, Escolta Binondo, Manila. Owner Mr. Olimpio Nevalio. Uya man ang mga minasunod na sponsors o individual na nagpapaamot nin pakisumaro sa kapiestahan ni Ina Nuestra Señora de Peña Francia. Maria Teresa Tet Baguio, Doña Rosario Heights, Subdivision, Muntinlupa City, Mrs. Susie Baluis, San Nicolas, Iriga City, Hillwood Resort, Zone 6, San Vicente, Baao, Camarines Sur, owned and managed by Miss Jo Marie Bidoral, Doktora Marilovel Nufuente, Obigaini, UniHealth Hospital and Medical Center, Parañaque City, and Honorable Dado Moldes, City Councilor, Muntinlupa City, sa Indupogabos, Jos Mabalos.
Saro sa mga ekspresyon kang pagtubutang mga Bicolano, iyo ang debosyon ki Ina, Nuestra Señora de Peña Francia, na kita minatubod asin minalaom na ang satong personal na kahagadan madaling simbagon kang Diyos sa paagi kang satong mahal na ina. Kaya bilang sa iyang mga aki, ngunya na bulan kang Setyembre, sa tuya na naman na ipamati asin ipahiling ang satong dakulang pagkamuot asin pagtubod kiina, pasiring sa iyang aking si Jesus. Ang mensaheng ini, hatod kang mga minasunod na sponsors na magiging katuwang kang RPN DCKI Radio Ronda Iriga City para sa live coverage kang Fenya Francia Festival 2025. Attorney Remilisa Pichi Gachitorena Alfilor Moraleda, President, University of Northeastern Philippines, San Roque, Iriga City. Mr. and Mrs. Oscar and Olga Belmonte Alanes and family of Francisco Homes, City of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Virginia Fatima Pavilion, located at San Isidro, Iriga City, owned and managed by Ma'am Fatima Aquiler. Barangay Kagawad Jacinto F. Beatriz and Ma'am Nerissa Malco Beatriz and family of Santa Cruz Sur, Iriga City. Honorable Sal Fortuna Jr., Vice Governor, Province of Camarines Sur. Cafe Diamante, located at Zone 6, Diamante Street, San Isidro, Iriga City, owned and managed by Baita and Colarina family. Mrs. Lilibet Di Mabayaw Asperas and family of number 739, Zone 3, San Isidro, Iriga City. Philippine Association of Certified Tax Technicians Incorporated, PACTT, care of Mr. Erasmo G. Ampungan, President and COO. Honorable Boboy Villanueva Jr. and family of Santo Domingo, Iriga City. Igel Regino S. Rivina Jr., National Protocol Officer and Regional Governor, Bicol Eagles Region, the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles. Engineer Ares E. Hermoso, Chief Quality Assurance Section and District Public Information Officer, DPWH, Camarines Sur 5th District Engineering Office. Engineer Wilfredo O. Buxit, General Manager, Casureco 3, San Isidro, Iriga City. Dr. Jess Naldo and Ma'am Cristina Naldo and family of San Juan, Iriga City. Mr. J.R. and Barangay Kagawad Edna Banjola and family of San Miguel, Iriga City. Boracan Sariles, located at PNR site, San Francisco, Iriga City, owned and managed by Miss Joanne Marie G. Vera in Jane Seafoods, stall number 37, Iriga City Public Market, owned and managed by Mrs. Jane G. Vera. Ma'am Sally Lurin Cabatuan of number 516, Coral Street, San Isidro, Iriga City. Mr. and Mrs. Popong Gibara and family of San Agustin, Iriga City. Former Mayor Margie Moran Aguinillo and family of Santa Clara, Buhi, Camarines Sur, and Mrs. Nini Salvacion Amparado Nacario and family of Zone 5, Balintawak Street, San Isidro, Iriga City. Viva la Virgen! Viva El Divino Rostro!
Ang RPN DCKI ang minapaabot din pasasalamat sa samuyang major sponsors para sa live coverage kan traslasyon asin fluvial procession kiinang Peña Francia asin El Divino Rostro. Police Brigadier General Andre Perez Dizon, Acting Director, Philippine National Police Academy, Camp Castañeda, Silang, Cavite. Police Brigadier General Nestor C. Babagay Jr., Acting Regional Director, Police Regional Office 5, Camp Ola, Legazpi City. Congressman Laila M. Dilima of ML Party List, and Honorable Mayor Wilfredo Rex C. Oliva, Iriga City. Happy Hap Spa and Massage, Limars Building, Iriga City, San Nicolas, Iriga City, Ligao City, Legazpi City, Sorsogon City, and Nabua, Camarines Sur. Happy Hub Spa and Massage, San Agustin and Cadlan, Pili, Camarines Sur, Concepcion Grande, Naga City, Peña Francia Avenue, Naga City, San Felipe, Naga City, and Diversion Road, Naga City. Open for franchising. Please contact 0960-466-3315. FB page, Happy Hub Spa Franchising. Viva El Divino Rostro. Viva la Virgen. Salamat po sa Indoga Boss. Ang RPN DCKI ang minapaabot din pasasalamat sa samuyang mga sponsors para sa live coverage kan traslasyon as in fluvial procession kay Inang Peña Francia as in El Divino Rostro. Attorney Maharlika Ramon Waferina II, City Administrator, LGU, Iriga City. Honorable Vice Mayor Edsil Serrano Di Maiwat and Family, Iriga City. Attorney Leo Arnel Kaayaw and Family, San Isidro, Iriga City. Honorable Nona Vanessa Monponbanwa Santiago, City Tourism Officer, Iriga City. Mrs. Beverly Espirito, City Accountant, Iriga City. Office of the City Engineer, Iriga City, headed by Engineer Eddie Belmonte. Mrs. Marlene Velasquez Portella, City Budget Officer, Iriga City. Mr. RJ Ramirez, City Agriculturist, Iriga City. Civil Security Unit, Iriga City, headed by retired Major Audi Jose de Villa. Mrs. Maridel Verosa, Head, City Social Welfare and Development Office, Iriga City. Camarines Sur Police Provincial Office, headed by Police Colonel Virgilio Olalia Jr., Provincial Jeric Don Sadia, Officer in Charge. Chief of Police, Batu Municipal Police Station, Batu, Camarines Sur, Police Major Ryan Anthony Ocampo, Chief of Police. Police Lieutenant Colonel Santos Tagumata Jr., Chief, PSMU, Camarines Sur, PPO. Police Major Andrew Alcomendas. Sorsogon City Police Station, headed by Police Lieutenant Colonel Christopher Adoviso, Chief of Police. Police Lieutenant Colonel Van Altesa Layosa and Family, Chief, Traffic Enforcement Unit, Naga City Police Office. Retired Police Brigadier General Elmer V. Mora, Dean, College of Criminology, Segura Technological College, Francia, Iriga City. Bureau of Fire Protection, Iriga City Fire Station, headed by Fire Chief Inspector Junjen Novella, City Fire Marshal. Retired Fire Senior Superintendent Lorenzo Reynosa Jr. and Family, Iriga City. Police Lieutenant Anora Silva Ortega, Operation Officer, Nabua MPS. PAMS Jeric Buena and Family, Batu, Camarines Sur. PCMS Salvador Ampungan Jr., Chief, PCAD, PNCO, Iriga City Police Station. Entel Operatives of Nabua Municipal Police Station. Entel Operatives of Iriga City Police Station. Engineer and Mrs. Pobleo Ebron Cortez Jr. and Family. Engineer and Mrs. Eves Igana Cortez and Family, Ilorogan Street, Santo Domingo, Iriga City. Honorable Municipal Councilor Ruben Biaris III, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Punong Barangay Ninita Agnes Fortuna, San Jose, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Punong Barangay Eduardo Di Maiwat and Family, Perpetual Health, Iriga City. Architect and Mrs. John Christian Di Maiwat and Family, San Nicolas, Iriga City. Mr. and Mrs. Migs Biaris and Family, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Retired Police Captain Miguelio Borromeo and Family, Springfield Subdivision, San Miguel, Iriga City. Mr. Luzmindo Aguilion, San Vicente Batu, Camarines Sur. Mr. and Mrs. Salvador and Arlene Pares and Family, San Roque Poblacion, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Mrs. Christy Albia and Family, San Nicolas, Iriga City. Mr. and Mrs. Ariel and Sheila Bukad and Family, Matacon, Pulangi, Albay. Mr. Pashi Singh of Indian Sikh Community, Iriga City, Mr. and Mrs. Ian and Mabel Stevens and family, San Miguel, Iriga City, Emilio Theo Di Mabayaw, Joshua Simon Di Mabayaw, and Alfred Miguel Di Mabayaw, San Isidro, Iriga City, Maria Gracia Ibarientos Sanao, and children, Chin Chin and Noy Noy, and Social Security System, Iriga City, Mrs. Maria Janet Ebuenga, Branch Head. Salamat po sa Saindog Gabos. Viva El Divino Rostro! Viva la Virgen!
Ang RPN GCKI Radio Ronda Iriga nagpapasalamat man sa mga minasunod na sponsor kan Peña Francia live coverage ngunya na taon. Chichi Coco Lumber Trading located at Zone 3 Santiago Old, Nabua, Camarines Sur, and Idilit Coco Lumber Trading Zone 7 San Roque Poblacion, Nabua, Camarines Sur, registered in PCA and DENR. Baaw Municipal Police Station, Baaw, Camarines Sur, headed by Police Major Engelbert Del Torado, Chief of Police, Honorable Jeric Sumayaw Ismenda, Sangguniang Kabataan Chairperson of Barangay San Agustin, Iriga City, and Escape Federation Vice President, City of Iriga, Honorable Flor Peñegas and family, Barangay Kagawad, Kukit, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Sa Saindo Pugabos, Diyos Mabalos. Viva la Virgen, viva el Divino Rostro.
Ang RPN DCKI ang minapaabot din pasasalamat sa samuyang major sponsors para sa live coverage kan translasyon asin fluvial procession kiinang Peña Francia asin El Divino Rostro. Police Brigadier General Andre Perez Lison, Acting Director, Philippine National Police Academy, Camp Castañeda, Silang, Cavite. Police Brigadier General Nestor C. Babagay Jr., Acting Regional Director, Police Regional Office 5, Camp Oda, Legazpi City. Congressman Laila M. De Lima of ML Party List, and Honorable Mayor Wilfredo Rex C. Oliva, Iriga City. Happy Haps Spa and Massage, Limars Building, Iriga City, San Nicolas, Iriga City, Ligao City, Legazpi City, Sorsogon City, and Nabua, Camarines Sur. Happy Haps Spa and Massage, San Agustin and Cadlan, Pili, Camarines Sur, Concepcion Grande, Naga City, Peña Francia Avenue, Naga City, San Felipe, Naga City, and Diversion Road, Naga City. Open for franchising. Please contact 0960-466-3315. FB page, Happy Haps Spa Franchising. Viva El Divino Rostro! Viva la Virgen! Salamat po sa Saindog Gabos.
DWIZ 882 at RPN Provincial Stations. Mas pinalakas.
Na pumunta sa Oriental Mindoro, nakuha ng picture, at least may pag-uumpisahan.
That's the other thing. Si Chumibo, si Secretary Beans, ikaw naman, maganda, ito ang papel mo ngayon.